Hello dear students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start our new lesson, negative numbers, chapter 9. Do you know what are negative numbers? Numbers below 0 are called negative numbers. Here in the second square you can see 0 in the middle, right? And on the right side of 0 you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the left side you can see -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. On the right side of 0 the numbers are increasing by 1, and on the left side the numbers are decreasing by 1. That means 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Like that we get all natural numbers greater than 1 or all positive numbers greater than 1. Similarly, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Then minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. That means 1 is decreasing on the left side. These numbers are called negative numbers. Yes, in some places like Kashmir and all, we know that in that place the temperature will be less than 0 in some seasons, especially in winter seasons. That means the water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is less than that 0 degrees Celsius, it is called negative. Negative is the temperature there. That means -1 degree Celsius, -20 degrees Celsius. We heard something like that from the newspaper, right? So what are negative numbers? Numbers less than 0 are called negative numbers. Example, -1, -2, -3, etc. But numbers less than 0 are called negative numbers. So negative numbers are numbers less than 0. Then can you tell the largest positive number? Or can you tell the largest negative number? Yes, which is the smallest positive number? Smallest positive number, that is 1. We are starting with the 1. The positive numbers are starting from 1. 1, then 2, then 3. 1 is increased by, each numbers are increased by 1. Okay, the successive numbers are increased by 1 in the positive numbers. That means 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, like that. So we cannot tell which is the largest positive number. Similarly, yes, 0 minus 1 is -1. Then -1 minus means it is decreasing. So -2, that means -2 is less than -1. Okay, -2 is smaller than -1. Then what about -3? It is smaller than -2. Then what about -4? It is 1 less than -3. So which is the largest negative number? Largest negative number is -1. We already know these things. Now we are going to study about the operations on negative numbers. If we arrange the numbers 0, positive numbers on the right side of 0, okay, and negative numbers on the left side of 0, we get a number line. Okay, Using this number line, we are going to do the operations on positive numbers and negative numbers. So here, see, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, like that. That means on the right side of 0, yes, 1 is increased. And on the left side of 0, one number is decreasing. Okay, then 0 plus 5 means what? Yes, 5 is increased by 5 is increased from 0. Then what do you mean by negative 5? Negative 5 means 5 is decreased from 0. Okay. So now I am going to do this operation, that is 3 minus 7. How do we find this? Yes, 3 is here, minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 decreasing, then we reach on negative 4. So what is 3 minus 7? 3 minus 7 is equal to negative 4. Then is there any easy way to find the answer 3 minus 7? Yes, here in 3 and 7, which one is bigger? Bigger one is 7. So 7 minus 3. Okay, find the difference of the smaller and the larger. That is 7 minus 3 is 4. And which sign is before this larger number? That is negative. Put that negative sign here. So what is 3 minus 7? 3 minus 7, using number line we can find 3 minus 7 is equal to negative 4. But in all cases we cannot draw these number lines. So how do we calculate this? Is larger minus smaller and put the sign of the larger one here. Then what do you mean? What is 5 minus 8? Yes, which one is larger? 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. And the sign here to 8 is negative. So negative 3. Then what is 21 minus 45? Which one is bigger? 45. 45 minus 21 is, that is equal to 24. And the bigger one is 45. Put a negative sign here. Okay. So rest of the operations we will continue in the next class.